morning. So today I'd like to go through page 1 of your Earth Science reference table. So take out your reference table. Let's turn to the front page. At the bottom, we have a chart, the average chemical composition of Earth's crust, hydrosphere, and troposphere. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns of information. In the first column, we have our elements that are present in our crust, hydrosphere, and troposphere. They are put down in percentages. So first, let's look at the element. Our first element is oxygen, then silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, magnesium, potassium, nitrogen, hydrogen, and other. We'll be working with these elements to see what the percentages in each of these spheres of the Earth. We have our crust, we have percent by mass, and percent by volume. We have a hydrosphere. Do you know what that is? You got it. It's our oceans and our lakes and our seas. They're water bodies. Notice hydro means water. So the hydrosphere is our oceans. Next is our troposphere. We just talked about our troposphere on page 14. The troposphere is where in our atmosphere? That's right. The bottom layer of our atmosphere is our troposphere. And what are the gases that are present in each of these spheres? Okay, so let's start off with our crust. The crust, they break down in the elements percent by mass and percent by volume. So let's look at the first column under the crust. The Earth's crust, the largest percentage by mass in Earth's crust is oxygen. Oxygen is the number 1 element in percent by mass in our crust. Then second is silicon, 28.20%. Percent by mass, aluminum, 8.23%. Iron, 5.63%. Calcium, 4.15%. Sodium, 2.36%. And magnesium, 2.33%. And potassium, 2.09%, giving us a total of 100% with other included. Okay, next. In the crust, percent by volume. How much of these elements are taking up space? So the first most abundant element is oxygen. Oxygen percent by volume in Earth's crust is 94.04%. The next abundant element by volume in Earth's crust is silicon, 0.88%. Then aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, magnesium, potassium, and other. Okay, the next column is our hydrosphere. Our hydrosphere, what did we say that represented? All right, the ocean and our seas and our lakes. So here we have our hydrosphere, the water sphere on the Earth, percent by volume, 33% oxygen. And the other element in our hydrosphere is hydrogen, 66%. So like in water, H2O, we have 2 hydrogens at 66% to 1 oxygen, 33%. Very good. So let's go to our last column now, our troposphere. The troposphere, percent by volume, these are the gases that we breathe here on Earth's surface, is oxygen, is 21% by volume, and the other element in our atmosphere that we breathe is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant element in our troposphere, 78%, and then 1% other. Okay, let's see if we can answer the following questions in our Do Now. Thank you.